In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a list in Microsoft Planner. If you're organizing tasks in Planner and no longer need one of your lists, the process is very simple once you know where to look. In Microsoft Planner, lists are often used to group tasks together, so deleting one can help keep your board clean and easier to manage. Just make sure you're removing the correct list before you confirm anything, especially if it contains tasks you still need. To begin, open your Planner board and locate the list you want to remove. Move your mouse over the task or the list area. Hovering is important here because some controls in Planner only appear when you place your cursor over that section. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just pause for a moment and keep your cursor over the list until the menu becomes visible. Once you're hovering over the correct list, look for the three-dot menu. This is the More Options menu, and it's where Planner keeps additional actions for that item. Click the three dots to open the menu. Take a second to review the options so you can confirm you're editing the correct list and not making changes somewhere else on the board. After the menu opens, click on Delete. This is the option that removes the list from your Planner board. Be careful at this stage, because deleting a list can affect the tasks inside it, depending on how your Planner setup is being used. If your team relies on that list for tracking work, it's a good idea to double check with others before removing it. And that's it. Those are the steps to delete a list in Microsoft Planner. Hover over the task or list, click the three-dot menu, and then select Delete. It's a quick process, but taking a moment to verify the list first can save you from accidentally removing something important. If the option doesn't appear right away, try moving your cursor more carefully across the list header or refreshing the page and trying again. Small interface elements like the three-dot menu can sometimes be easy to miss, especially on a busy board. Now you know how to delete a list in Microsoft Planner quickly and confidently.